After this, if you see here, let's suppose I want all these levels at symmetric distance. So here distance between first ground and first floor is 10 feet. Suppose here again I want 20 feet only to maintain the symmetry. So I can click on this button, right? Type here 20, right? It will be automatically changed to 20, right? The second thing I can do here, it is 20, here I want 30. If I click on this point, it will show me the distance from various level. So from this level, it is 13 feet 6 inches. From here, it is 14 feet 6 inches. Here I want 10 feet only. So I will type here 10. So automatically, it will move to a distance of 30 feet, right? If I click here, it will show me the distance, that is 18. I want this as 10 only. So I will type here 10, right? I can type 10 here. It will move to the 40 feet distance from datum, or you can type 40 here as well. That will be the same thing, right? So again, this method is not that convenient if we have multiple levels. Suppose I have here 50 levels, so that won't be convenient to create level like this, right? We need to change the distance for each and every level, so that is not desirable, right? It will create a lot of problems. So we have some shortcut for this, right? Suppose I want to create some more levels, so I will again go to the level, right? If I go to here level, you can see one of things here, that is offset, right? Offset means it will offset a particular layer at a distance, whatever you will specify here. Let's say I'm specifying here offset distance of 10 units, right? Now, at whatever point, I will try to provide offset. And one of the more settings you can see here, if you type 10 here, you do not need to press enter. Move to your drawing area. That will automatically take that value as 10 feet, right? Suppose you want to type here 10 feet 6 inches. For that thing, you can press 10 space 6, right? If you type like this 10 space 6, it will take 10 feet 6 inches, right? Or you can just use from your keyboard 10 feet and 6 inches like this. Again, it will take 10 feet 6 inches. So it's up to you how you want to type. I want here 10 feet only, so I will type 10. After that, I want an offset of 10 feet from this level, right? So I will start creating a level from here. You can see here, it is getting offsetted automatically to a distance of 10 feet. So if I try to create level here, it will be automatically offsetted at a distance of 10 feet from here. So you can click on this. Again, that is not a very good method, right? We still have one more shortcut, that is, if I go to here level, I'm changing here value, right? Let's say 10 feet. After that, in this draw setting, we have two options. One is this draw line, second is pick line. Let me choose this pick line. In this pick line, you need to pick any line. As you will pick, it will show you a tracking line like this above your level. So make sure this tracking line is above your level you want to offset, right? If this tracking line is not showing here, it will show below and that will overlap your level, right? So you have to select like this, that tracking line is above your level. So click here, it is your level 8, right? Again, you can select this, this is your level 9. Here we have level 10, level 11, right? Suppose I want to create some level below this ground floor level as well. So again, you can create levels, right? You can click on this point. Here you can see level 12, that is minus 10 feet, right? Here, if you want to create one more level here below, you can see it is at minus 20 feet, minus 10, right? So in this way, you can create level below your ground floor level as well, right? This is the method of creating levels in your default view.